Floating offshore wind is a rapidly emerging industry, and one which offers immense opportunities for Ireland. Ireland's offshore wind resource is one of the best in the world. Due to our privileged location in the Atlantic Ocean and the high wind speeds off our coasts, and with a maritime area which is approximately 7 times the size of our land mass. Currently, there is a demand for reliable real-world data, given that floating offshore wind is at an early stage of development. Thanks to the IDEA-IRL project, our country is at the forefront of international efforts to accelerate the development of large-scale floating offshore wind farms. This project is funding our participation as part of a wider international project to accelerate the development of flow arrays under the International Energy Agency, which drives technology collaboration programs across participating countries. It is a 3-year research project funded by the Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland that aims to produce floating offshore wind site and wind farm design datasets which would be openly accessible to all and produce a long-term sustainable development roadmap for floating offshore wind both in Ireland and internationally, and determining the potential for Irish companies to be part of the supply chain, which would create lots of additional local jobs and identify key innovations to maximize the social, economic, and environmental benefits. The research being carried out will tackle the challenges to the much anticipated large-scale deployment of floating offshore wind, which has the ability to operate in deeper waters, further from shore. With Ireland's ambition to deliver 20 gigawatts of offshore wind by 2040 and 37 gigawatts by 2050, the development of floating wind alongside fixed-bottom offshore wind will be essential to achieving these targets. This project is coordinated by University College Cork and includes project partners Gavin and Doherty Geosolutions and Wind Energy Ireland. The IDEA-IRL project is funded by the SEAI. To find out more about the project, check out our website where you can sign up to our mailing list to keep up to date with the latest from the project. You can also follow the project on LinkedIn and tune in to the IDEA-IRL podcast on Spotify or wherever you get your podcasts.